Here's your online weather briefing for Tuesday, August 13th. I'm Donald Jones. NOAA's Climate Prediction Center recently issued its updated Atlantic hurricane season outlook, which calls for 13 to 19 named tropical systems, 6 to 9 of which are expected to become hurricanes. Of those, 3 to 5 are expected to become major hurricanes with winds of at least 111 miles per hour. These numbers represent a slight decrease across all categories compared to the forecast issued in May, but is still above historical averages. 4 named tropical systems have developed in the Atlantic basin so far this hurricane season, but none have reached hurricane strength. We've begun the climb towards the climatological maximum of hurricane season, which peaks on September 10th. The good news is that the tropics remain largely quiet. The only exception is a weak area of disturbed weather currently making its way through the central Caribbean. Strong wind shear across the Caribbean is currently inhibiting any development of the system. While conditions are expected to become more favorable for development over the next couple of days, the system will be approaching the Yucatan Peninsula and will likely not have much time to get organized before moving onshore. Therefore, the National Hurricane Center is currently giving the system only a 10% chance of development over the next 2 days. Regardless of development, the system is expected to track around the periphery of a westward developing high, which will bring the system across the Yucatan Peninsula Wednesday and Thursday and into the southern Gulf by Friday. From there, the system is expected to continue to drift to the west into southern or central Mexico over the weekend with no threat to the United States. We will, of course, continue to monitor this system for any changes. In the meantime, a bit of good news is headed our way for those who find it nearly unbearable outside this time of year. A weak frontal system is digging south across the central U.S. this week and will slowly push through our area Thursday into Friday. In addition to bringing us increased rain chances, which some areas could definitely use, the front will also bring some drier and slightly cooler air. Of course, cool is a relative term, especially this time of year. The coolest temperatures are expected to occur Friday night and into Saturday morning, with mid to upper 60s expected further north and lower 70s closer to the coast. But the drier air will make any outdoor activities much more tolerable Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, a rare treat for this time of year. So for the rest of today, we'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms developing late this morning and into this afternoon, with a majority of the activity expected to be over central Louisiana. A repeat performance is expected for tomorrow. The front moves through Thursday and into Friday morning, bringing increased rain chances for the entire area, with drier and slightly cooler air filtering in behind it for the weekend. For additional weather information, please visit our website, weather.gov/Lake Charles. If you have any questions or comments about the information presented here, please post them on our Facebook or Twitter sites also listed here, and we'll be glad to answer them.